Hey you guys, I'm sorry if I startled anyone by starting to talk in this video, but I just wanted to explain what's going on with this fan on the downrod. This is not a typical option for the Hugger version of this fan, but basically when I pulled it out of the box, I discovered there's actually a downrod coupler in there, just with no hardware to utilize with it. The way this fan comes with this canopy, the capacitor and wattage limiter are housed up here. Normally I am not for cannibalizing new in-box fans, but this one presented a unique opportunity. So of course I just eliminated the wattage limiter, and then what I did was move the capacitor down inside of this upper housing. There's enough room between the motor and the top that allowed me to just slip it right inside there, and then I just grabbed some spare hardware that I had on hand to dress it up. It's obviously not a perfect match, but this is as close as I can get. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to explain that I re-engineered this one a little bit to make this work. It's not a regular thing that most normal people would do. Thank you all for watching today, and I will see you soon. Click left or right to watch more videos. Vintage Fans and More merchandise is 15% off through May 20th. Use code FAB15 at checkout.